Goldfish plant earned its name because of the masses of orange flowers that appear in the summer and look a bit like goldfish. Under ideal conditions, the goldfish hanging plant blooms in a variety of red, orange, and yellow colors. Put this exotic trailing plant in a hanging basket or on a pedestal table to show off its spectacular foliage and blooms. In this video, we are going to learn about how to grow and take care of a goldfish plant. We will start with how to repot a goldfish plant. Goldfish plants thrive and produce better when you repot it. Repot this plant in every few years. Remove your plant from its pot and replant it in a clean, slightly larger pot with fresh potting soil. When you repot the goldfish plant, trim the ends of the roots slightly to encourage new root growth. Do not repot into much larger pots, but limit the repotting to one size up. Light for goldfish plant. Goldfish plant needs plenty of bright, indirect light to bloom. An eastern facing window is perfect. They can also successfully be grown under lights indoors. Keep out of direct sunlight, which will turn leaves brown. Water for goldfish plant. Spring through fall, water thoroughly and allow the top 2 inches to dry out between waterings. Water less often in winter. Be aware that the soil should never dry completely out. Temperature and humidity for goldfish plants. Goldfish plants are best in room temperatures of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Exposure to cold will cause its leaves to fall off. Do not expose the plant to cold drafts from windows, doors, or AC vents. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel. Stay healthy, stay cool.